Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I do have a brand new unboxing. If you've been following me on Instagram, you do know that I did pick this up at the boutique. So I got this last week and didn't have the time to open it, so I figured I'll do this right now. I just came back from work, so we shall get started. So this is the receipt and I'm going to be showing you that to you very shortly. So I'll just get started with the item. This is what it looks like right here. I don't know if you can picture that. So we'll just get started. I'm trying to just box it nicely without messing it up. I do try to keep everything nice and neat, so, and while trying to keep the ribbon intact. So here we go, like this. I just absolutely love the packaging. Hoping maybe I can put it back so I can take a picture. I forgot to take a picture. Oh well, that's okay. So this is the, obviously, the box, and this is what it comes with. The care guide. Trying to find the best way to show this to you. I think it's getting a little dark in here, so to reveal to you. Oh wow, this is absolutely stunning. Let me show this to you. This is what this item looks like. Can you see this? So I obviously came in to look for some of the iridescent color. I'm just gonna take this off right here. I went to the store looking for the iridescent pieces. I did see one in the blue, but I just was not thrilled with the blue color. I'm just trying to remove this. If I can even remove it, there you go. I saw the blue card holder and I just did not love the color, so I ended up not going for this. I was debating whether I should or not, and in the meantime I asked to see the brooch, and as soon as I saw this piece right here, I just knew that this one literally just stole my heart, and I just knew that I just had to have it, because as soon as I saw it I had the wow factor that I did not get with that blue card holder. So just to show you on the black background, this is what it looks like. So super thrilled. This came back, this was from a, I believe, the cruise, no, before the cruise. It came out before the cruise. I saw this piece and I hesitated back then because obviously I had gotten the other brooch, which is the interwoven CC with the leather, and I had just gotten that brooch and I wasn't sure I wanted one that time, but I did love this piece, and it got sold out and I was very disappointed. This is what it looks like on a white background, and I was quite disappointed and I kept thinking about it. I couldn't get my mind on it. At one point I even considered getting this through a personal shopper because it kept popping up on Instagram. So I just decided to go in the store, and luckily I saw it in the store, and when I saw this I just literally knew this was the piece, and the camera does not do justice. When you see this person is just, it looks even better. It's absolutely stunning in person. I love the charms. So yeah, super thrilled to have this. And as you already know, I do wear a lot of black pieces, so I do think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to show you the receipt. I will probably have to use my other camera because it is getting a little bit dark and you might not be able to see it, but this is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Do let me know what you think about this beautiful, lovely piece. I wish you a great day, if not a great weekend, and please remember to subscribe. I will see you next time.